Hello and welcome. Today we're going to record your opt-in page. This is how you're going to collect your emails. You're going to get people to give you their email address in exchange for your free item. Like mine is free 5-day training. You don't have to do that. You can just do a free PDF or free information like 4 things you must know in every network marketing business. Something with curiosity to get them to click on to see, but you want it to be digital usually. I know people do the free plus shipping books, but they're making money on the back end. So if you don't have a lot of products to sell on the back end, just offer something simple. So today we're in my ClickFunnels account. I'm going to actually build a new Fast Start training funnel. So let me click up here. You can either do build a new funnel, or you can come down from the ClickFunnels tab and hit build funnel. So I'm wanting to actually collect emails. So if you're wanting to sell something, you would pick over here. If you were doing a webinar, you'd pick over here. But we're wanting to collect emails, so we choose this one. Then we're going to name it Fast Start. I'm not going to put training since I've already got that, so I'll know which is which. And you can select if you want to put it in groups. I'm not going to at this time. So just click build out your funnel. And see, you've got an opt-in page and a thank you page. Ooh. Let me hit refresh. Something did not enter correctly. My ClickFunnels page is not working right. Look at that. Okay, let me hit refresh. Now, okay, so it brings you to the template page. And here you can select any level of template you want. So we're in the opt-in thing. We're wanting email and thank you. So if you were doing a sales page, you would just hover over this and then select the one you wanted. Webinar, the same, membership, and so on and so on. And it changes all these templates. So we're under the opt-in. We're wanting to do an email. So you click on email, and then it changes all of these. So now you can scroll. And the first ones are the ones I've actually created myself and save them as a template. So you can do that too. And then you can scroll down and you can see all of these that are already designed for you. And you just select the design that you like best. And as you can see, we're near the top and there's still tons and tons of opt-in pages. You really want it to be simple. You really want like a picture on one side, and on the other side you want your information. So you don't want it to be very confusing and a whole lot of information on an opt-in page. You want it to be simple and sweet. Just, give me your information and that's it. So I'm actually going to just pick a simple, clean one. Let's just pick this one. It doesn't really matter because you can change anything that you want to when you're actually in your opt-in page. So now it's loading. There it is. So you just hit the Edit tab. And now, see, everything has got your green boxes that we went over, your blue boxes, your orange boxes. So you can design this any way that you like. So I don't want this one thing in the center. I want to have the 2 things I was talking about. So I'm just simply going to delete this out. And now it says, I can add a row. So I actually want to add 2 rows. So I need to, let's see if it'll let me do that. Yes. So I want to select 2 columns. Here's where you can select as many as you want. So I'm going to select 2 where we can have, like I said, the picture on one side and the text on the other. So here's the element. So I'm wanting this to be an image. So you just come over and you select image. And see, you can select anything that you want. You just scroll down and pick whatever you want to put in this. You just clicked on it one time and boom, there it is. Now to add your image, you click in it and it opens up your dialog box. And under image, you click on this box and it opens up the images that you have pre-filled. Now if you haven't added any of these to your section, you just come here, add an image. Oops, wrong thing. Let me click in it again. Click on this to get back to our images and you hit upload to upload an image to this section, and then it just opens up from your desktop box, and then you pick where your images are stored, and then you select the image you want and you hit open and it will, or upload, and it'll upload it and add it right here for you. So I actually want to use this picture. You just double click on it, or you click one time and hit add, and there it is. And then that's all I want to do on that. On this side, I want to add a headline. And here, I'm wanting to say, give your business the jump start it needs. And then you just delete out all the other. Okay, so now we are back. So here, like I said, it's hard to see the black type against the other. So you want to get in your settings. And that's the same as if you just click in that. If you click in the box, it's going to pull up the text thing. So you need to do what I said, hit this gear to get it over here. And here's where you can change the size and the color right here. Text color, I want it to be white. And now watch this. Settings, let's go under advanced. And see, you've got text transform, you've got normal. Look, I want it all to be capitalized. Boom. Well, actually, I want the whole thing to be uppercase. So, boom. There you go. How simple is that? And now I want to add actually another headline. So I click here, push the plus, add another headline, and then see, there's my dialog box. Click in it, and it allows you to type fast start training. Delete everything out. Click out. Get the orange box to come up again. Come over here. Change this to white. I'm wanting the size to be much larger. There we go. Actually, I want it to be all caps also, or uppercase. There we go. See how simple this is? Now I'm going to make this a little bit smaller because that's actually too big. Yeah, that looks better. So now let's add a little design factor. Let's add a divider. Here it is. Let's see. You can't really see it because it's real thin, so you click on and you get the settings, and now you can adjust. Here's where we can pick, oh, that's the height. Style is solid. Let's change the color. Let's make it green. Yeah, that's pretty. And now let's go under advanced settings. And let's hit 20. Okay, that just moved it down. So let's go up to 5. And then padding here, let's go 20. Okay, that changed the below. let's add a shadow at the, let's add bottom. And let's go settings again. Width is 100%. Well, okay, 30. I like that better. Let's do 40. Nah, let's go back to 30. Okay, and now the height, this is where we can make it thicker. And let's put it in the center. Yeah, this is starting to come together. Now let's raise it up. And let's actually do advanced. Let's do 25. 15. No, that's too small. I like that size. Okay, now let's add a countdown clock. So here you hit element again, hit your little plus, and you come up here and now you can select your countdown clock. And here we have different options. You've got a day timer, you've got a minute timer, and you've got just a countdown. I think the minute one is the one I want. Let's see. Yep. So you've got your hours, minutes, and seconds. So you hit your gear again, your settings. And now you can select what style you want. So you've got all these different styles. Let's go with this one. Let's see if I can change the color. Font, advanced. Bold, white. White subtle. Medium size, let's do large. Nah, we don't need it large. Let's see what small looks like. Small is too small, medium is good. Let's go back to theme. I really want that, but without the circles around it, but I don't see a white one. Okay, settings. Now here's where you set how long you want people to see this. So I don't want to give them 30 minutes to decide. This is supposed to be a fast thing. I'm just going to give them 5 minutes to decide. And you don't see a change here. Let's hit save to save everything we've done. But when you hit preview, oh, it's going to make me enter the SEO metadata at this point. So here, let's say, this is my free, fast, start training. This is what will show up if you share it on Facebook. And enter my name. And see how it's got it here, fast start training. And let's enter the same picture. And now if you shared it on Facebook, that's what you would get. See, that's kind of neat. And I can actually add a description here. I'm not going to it this time, but I can click out of this. I can hit save again. And to actually get to the metadata yourself, you click settings, and you click SEO metadata, and the exact same thing pulls up. So that's how you do that. So now let's preview what we've got so far. So here we've got it. That looks pretty good. See, we got 4 minutes and it's counting down. So now let's go back to ClickFunnels. Let's see if we can make the hours and minutes darker. Advanced. It's got bold. That doesn't give us the chance. This is if you want the clock to appear later, you can put a time delay on it. Let's do the gold. That's pretty cool. Shows up pretty bright. Let's change this to the white again. Okay, now I want to have something across the top up here. So let's do another section. You got to get the green up here, and then you click the plus. And now you can pick full width, wide, medium, or small. I want to do full width. I want to go all the way across. And I want it to be just one column. And then you click in it again for your element. This time I want it to be headline again. And move the thing where I can see the record button is in my way. Okay, I want this to say it's my 4-day challenge free by Sandra Connor, the Lady Marketing Ninja. So delete out all of that. And now you click out of it again, hover over to get the orange to appear, get in your settings. And I need to, this record thing is in my way, let me lift it up. I need to change the text color to white again. I need to go under advanced, and I want it to be all uppercase again. And this time, let's click in it. Let's highlight Free Challenge by Sandra Connor. And let's hit the bold. Well, actually, I think all the other, yeah, it was bold before. So let's hit bold again to get rid of that. And let's make the first part bold. Now I want to move this up to the top, so you just hit your arrows and boom, there it is. So now let's hit save button again. Let's hit preview and let's see what we've got. 4-day challenge free by Sandra Connor, the Lady Marketing Ninja. Give your business a jump start it needs. Fast start training. So now we need to add something else over here to add more, to give them a little detail about what they're going to get. So let's close this out again. I don't know if I like the white better or the gold. Okay, now I'm back in the ClickFunnels thing, so you can tell when you hover over everything happens. So let's add between our little divider. And let's do it after the clock. Let's add an element and let's do a paragraph. So I'm going to come in and change it to white so I can see what I'm typing. Text color, select white. Now, I'm actually going to pause this so I don't waste your time while I type this in. Okay, I'm back. So what I put was dominate 2021 by learning Sandra's 4-step formula and get your business off to a fast start. Join Sandra live as she shows you the mindset, principles, and tools you must have to take your business to the next level in today's digital world. So let's click out of this so we can get a little orange box to come up. Hit settings and let's make it a little bit larger. Font size 18, 20. 20 looks pretty good. Okay, now we need them to have a button. Let's actually move this down. This is kind of lopsided, so let's top margin, let's slide it down a little bit. Okay, that looks better. And let's save what we've done and let's preview again, see what we've got. Okay, I like it. 4-day challenge free by Sandra Connor, the Lady Marketing Ninja. Give your business the jump start it needs. Fast start training. Dominate 2021 by, okay, that looks good. Okay, now let's go back. We've got to add a button. They've got to be able to opt in. So let's add an element, and we're going to add that they need to give us their email address. Where is it? Input box. Okay. Now they can enter their email address there, and we've got to have a way for them to submit it. So now we've got to click a button. And now click in, and here's where you can type. It says click in, sign up for this free training. Exclamation point. And I like to go to advanced. For some reason I like my corners to be round. I don't like the hard square corners. See how much better I think that looks. You might not. Okay, now I should have, let me stay in there. Let me separate the two a little bit. And this blue doesn't look good on the other. Oh, gray. So you can just try everything and see how it looks. And you can also come over here and select the color yourself. I like that, lighter gray. Okay, now I want the corners on this one to be round also. Advanced corners. Again, I like 10, and that's personal preference. You can leave it how it is or set it the way you like it. And here, under the settings, you can put what is required. So see, this one, email is required. They've got to give me their email address. And here you can say what you want. If you want, here I just want email address. Or you could, say that you want, their full name, their phone number, whatever they want. This is where you can set all the different things that you can, just customize it to suit yourself. But know that the more you make them add, so if you make them add, full name or first and then last and then email, the more they have to do, the more, the less opt-ins you're going to have. The more challenging you make it. But if you make it more challenging, then you're going to get less opt-ins, but you're going to get more qualified opt-ins. Because only the people that are truly interested in this are going to fill out their full name. Because like I said, that's either going to be another box or you can put 2 more boxes. And then hit, submit. So let me click in here. I actually want to say, yes, I want this free training instead of click here. Yes, I want this free training. And now I like to add an arrow, and that's under your icon picker. And so you can do before, which shows up before the text, or you can do the after, which shows up after the text, obviously. Click in, and the box appears, and you can just scroll through, pick whatever you want. Oh. You can type in arrow, and they all appear. So let's just do that one. Okay. And now your button, when you're collecting an email address, your set action has always got to be submit. If you don't have submit order form here, you're not actually going to get the email. So you have to submit it there. Now, where's the email going to go? Where they're going to enter their email address. You got to come over here to settings and hit integration. And this is where you have already selected and set up, like we set up Aweber. So if you're actually going to use ActionX, you just click ActionX here and select whatever group you want. Here I'm going to do Aweber. And then it tells you, okay, what do you want Aweber to do with it? I want them to integrate to an existing list. Okay, then which list do you want it to be on? I want it to be on my... Well, do I not have a fast start? I don't have a fast start training list. I'm going to have to go create a fast start list. I'm going to pause this while I do that. Okay, I'm back. I just added it, so now let's see. Let's hit settings, integration, Aweber, integrate to an existing list. Now see, I'm going to have to hit refresh list because it's not going to be there if I don't. And there it is, fast start challenge. Boom! And then it got the green check saying yes, it's connected. Hit save again. And I think we're going to call this one done. Let's preview it. Oh yeah, actually I've got to add one more thing. We got to add our information at the bottom. So here I've actually saved this section. So when you save a section, like say if you wanted to save this, Lady Marketing Ninja, you just come up here and you hit save, and then save it as a template. You name it and hit save action, and boom, you've got it. So this is what I've already done for my header and my footer. So here I can just hit manage, and then not manage, add section, and then over here, my sections, and then I want legal footer. So you grab it and hold down, and then you come over, and once it tells you drop, then you can drop it, and it builds it right in. Boom, there it is. I'm taking out my phone number. I don't want everybody to have my phone number. Okay, and it's got my terms, condition, privacy, and refund. That's why once you create this one time, save this thing as a template and name it your footer or your legal mumbo jumbo, whatever you want to call it. And now hit save. And now you can preview it again. And whambo bambo, you've got everything in there. And it looks pretty good. I like it. I like it a lot. Does that make you want to sign up for my Fast Start training? I hope. You're welcome to. Please do. Please sign up for this training and get your business off to a fast start. Okay, you get this template for free, so by all means change the picture, change everything. When you're in ClickFunnels, it's going to download it exactly like it is here, but you're going to need to go in and change everything. You just do what I did. You just click over it and change the text and change the image, change out the legal part at the bottom. change everything, and you are all set. All right, I hope you enjoyed this training. Have a great day.